Good day everyone. In this video, I will show you how to translate your whole document on the Google Docs. This tutorial should be pretty quick, straightforward, and really easy to follow, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Please do not worry if you're not familiar with the interface of Google Docs, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how to do so. Now, let's get started. Please make sure that before proceeding, you have the current version or the latest version of Google Chrome so that we can avoid any errors or possible errors there is along the way or along the process. Now, as you can see right here, I have a very long paragraph that I would like to translate into a different language. This could be efficient if you would like to save your document on different languages. Now, the advantage of using this method is that you will not translate the document manually one by one. Now from here, what you would like to do is to head over to the upper portion of your screen and find the Tools tab right over here. As you can see from the Tools tab, we have different options that are already provided by Google Docs itself. To translate, head over to the Translate Document button right over here. Click this one, and as you can see, we can set a new title or file name for the translated copy of this document. Yes, it will save it under a new document on your Google Drive. For me, I would like to keep it this way. Or you can also indicate what language version of it right over here. Now, on this button right here, you can press on this arrow and it will give you a drop down in which you can choose in which language you want to translate it to. Let's say for example, I would like it to translate to Chinese. What I would do is press Chinese from the dialog or from the dial right over here and then click translate right over here. As you can see, it will create a new tab for the new document. Wait for a while, and as you can see, we have the whole document translated to Chinese, all using the same font color, and the same formatting. But if you want to clear the formatting, you can select all by pressing Ctrl or Command A on your keyboard and then pressing this button right here, which is the clear formatting button. As you can see, it removes the formatting. But for me, I would like to keep it this way. As simple as that, we have now translated a whole document into a different language, all saving it under a new file name. If you learned something in this video, please do not forget to subscribe and like this video. From here, I'll see you guys next time. If you want more tutorials like this, we have a dedicated playlist for Google Docs tutorials. I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching.